with Wesley. Today's episode is strawberry whipped cream.
What are we going to start with?
Strawberry.
How much of it?
1 tablespoon.
Okay. What else are we going to need?
Heavy whipping cream.
How much do we need?
1/4 cup.
That's right.
Looks so good.
Then,
Now we're gonna mix it.
for how long?
2 minutes. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Now we're gonna dip the plastic cup in the milk and then into the powder.
Covered? Pretty good? Yeah. Okay, turn it back over. So we're pouring the milk in there, right?
Yep. Now we're gonna pour the whipped cream in.
Do you want sprinkles?
Sure. I love it. Sprinkles are optional.
All right, talk to us about it.
Yum.
Tastes like.
Strawberry topping. It's so good. I think you should make one of these for yourselves. It's super yummy. This is no milk. I will cry over. Cheers. At home with Wesley. With fun and fun. And the live studio audience. No, baby. That's why I'm laughing.